Find the moment of inertia of a system of two masses connected through a line about an axis passing through the center of mass and perpendicular to this line. The answer is, suppose the two masses having mass m are separated by a distance small letter a. The moment of inertia of the system about an axis AB which is passing through the center of mass and perpendicular to the lines joining between them is equal to m into a by 2 the whole square plus m into a by 2 the whole square is equal to ma square by 4 plus ma square by 4 is equal to ma square by 2. Find the moment of inertia of a system of two unequal masses separated by a distance a about an axis passing through the center of mass and perpendicular to the line joining between them. Suppose the two masses are m1 and m2. The distance between them is small letter a. The distance of m1 from center of mass is a1 and that of m2 is a2. The line AB is passing through the center of mass and perpendicular to the line joining between the masses. As it is passing through the center of mass, m1a1 is equal to m2a2 equation 1 and a1 plus a2 is equal to constant a equation 2. So, a2 is equal to a minus a1 equation 3. Substitute equation 3 in 1. m1 a1 is equal to m2 into a minus a1 is equal to m2 a minus m2 a1. So, m1 plus m2 a1 is equal to m2 a1 is equal to m2 by m1 plus m2 a2 is equal to a minus a1 is equal to a minus m2 by m1 plus m2 a2 is equal to m1a by m1 plus m2 equation number 5. Hence, from equations 4 and 5, we got a1 and a2 in terms of the known parameters m1, m2 and a. So, moment of inertia about AB is equal to m1 a1 square plus m2 a2 square equal to m1 into m2a by m1 plus m2 the whole square plus m2 into m1 by m1 plus m2a the whole square. m1 m2 square a square divided by m1 plus m2 whole square plus m2 m1 square a square divided by m1 plus m2 the whole square is equal to m1 m2 a square by m1 plus m2 the whole square as common into m2 plus m1. m1 plus m2 gets cancelled and finally we get m1 m2 divided by m1 plus m2 a square. So, the moment of inertia is equal to m1 m2 divided by m1 plus m2 a square, the answer. If the masses m1 and m2 are equal, what is the value of moment of inertia? It is equal to m square by 2m a square is equal to m a square. Thank you. Find the moment of inertia of a system of three masses at the corners of an equilateral triangle about an axis passing through the center of mass and perpendicular to the plane of the triangle. The three masses are having the same mass m. The axis passing through the center of mass is the point D. The distance of each mass m are at a distance a by root 3 from the point D. So, moment of inertia is equal to m into a divided by root 3 the whole square plus m into a divided by root 3 the whole square plus m into a divided by root 3 the whole square is equal to m a square by 3 plus m a square by 3 plus m a square by 3 is equal to m a square. So, moment of inertia is equal to m a square. Suppose the three masses are m1, m2 and m3. That means the three masses are unequal, then the moment of inertia is equal to m1 into a by root 3 the whole square plus m2 into a by root 3 the whole square plus m3 into a by root 3 the whole square. Find the moment of inertia of a system of 3 masses located at the corners of an equilateral triangle about the line AY perpendicular to AB. At A, B and C there are the masses m. The moment of inertia of the point A about AY is equal to mr square is equal to m into 0 equal to 0. Moment of inertia of B about AY is equal to m a square, and moment of inertia of C about AY is equal to m a by 2 the whole square is equal to m a square by 4. So, the total moment of inertia about AY is equal to 0 plus m a square plus m a square by 4 is equal to 5 by 4 m a square. Note that the particle on the axis of rotation, that is the particle at A, do not contribute to the moment of inertia. This is a conclusion.